Hey guys, okay, this last example, you'll notice that the A value is -1. And so the same rules apply, that you're going to have to pull out that A value as the GCF, or as the common factor, when you get to the step after you move the C value. Okay, so if you want to try it on your own and pause the video, you can certainly do that. I'm going to add 5, again moving the C value first. If you want to use Y instead of f of x, you can. I have -x squared minus 12x. This A value has to be a 1, so I'm going to pull out -1 and copy everything else. Now, I'm going to complete the square. So I'm going to go to the B value, which is -12, take half of it, which is -6, squared is 36. I'm adding that 36 into the parentheses. So I have -1 times x squared minus 12x plus 36. But on the left side, I'm going to put the box again. On the left side, I am not adding 36 because that 36 is really times -1. So whatever this product is, which is -36, that's what I do to the left side. I'm going to subtract 36. So if it comes out to be a positive, you're adding to the left. If it comes out to be a negative, you're subtracting from the left. I'm now going to rewrite everything. So I have f of x, -36 plus 5 is -31, equals -1 times x minus 6 squared, rewriting it as a binomial squared. That -1 can also just be written invisibly, right, as negative parentheses x minus 6 squared. I'm going to also add the 31 because I want to isolate y. So I have f of x, or y, equals -x minus 6 squared plus 31. And I could see from this that the A value is negative, the parabola is turned down, the vertex is +6, 31. Okay, so you have several of these to do for homework. Please use your notes, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.